This one is quite a bomb because I'm talking about taking risk in your teens and in your youth. Very important for a teenager and youth in 20s. In this video, I'll talk to you about some of the things to avoid in their life. We cannot just avoid fully, but we have to know that these things are traitors and can make us be in regret mode in our 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and old age. So, what's the point having regrets in later? It's better to mend things when everything is so mendable. Making this teenage and 20s the best time, because it is actually the best time. Taking risk is such a crucial hurdle to get the best things in life. Because if you want to get the best in life, you have to start young and start in your teens and in your 20s. Because in these times, you can only get over if there is a accident by taking this risk. Later, you cannot. And if you have an accident, then it's fine because you can talk about it in your 40s, in your 50s, 60s, and in your old age to your grandchildren and to all. Because, I don't have grandchildren, I have no children only. But I can tell it to you because, I always felt that it is from your age of 25 till your age of 60 when you can actually do great things which you can hardly think about starting post 60, 65, or starting in your childhood or your growing up time. That's why at the age of 25, I had done the best jobs in the world and I've left it and started to do the best thing in the world. And so, taking risk, like in Bangla we say jhuki, taking risk is the most important thing and best suited in your teenage and your 20s. Hey, I'm Korak, the teen transformer and the founder of This Life, Best Life Hub. I'm on a mission to help 1 million teens to live a more powerful life by applying my ninja called the Meta Meditation Matrix. And I have 25 years of experience with teens from all over the world. I can help you program your life with my expertise so that you have no regrets at age 45. Hey, there's a word of caution. Maybe I'm not saying certain things which you would like. Maybe I'm also not, saying things in such a cool way. I'm not a speaker. I'm not a, nice talker. Maybe I'm babbling somewhere and maybe I'm doing certain funny things. But the objective is just to make you feel that you are going through the best time of your life. And I just want you to be happy. Like the way I am, I'm the happiest person on earth. And I want you also to be happy. Why not? Maybe you can share my position of being the happiest person on earth.